Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon.
18 only participants joined. Still joining. Fast, fast, fast. Make it fast. Al Farhan, turn on your video. Al Farhan. So, okay, it's time already, so I don't have time to waste and I have to start so early. No, I'm late. I'm not early. So, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Okay, now I have a request. All of you, please mute your audio and turn on your video. Okay? Okay. So we were discussing about adverbs in the previous class, right? I said adverbs, not only adverbs, it never describes only a verb. It describes even an adjective. It has the ability to describe another adverb, and also it can describe a whole sentence, right? And we said there are a lot of adverbs all around us, and we discussed about beautifully, we discussed about happily, we discussed about which all words? Unfortunately, happily, and all these words we said. We got very, we got fast, we got many other adverbs, right? From the class of adverbs.
Quite clearly
Many words, right? And also we discussed many sentences also we discussed in the previous class, right? And also we said there are 5 classifications under. There are 5 simple adverbs, okay? There are 5 simple adverbs. There are 5 classifications under adverbs. What are the 5 types of adverbs we discussed? Before discussing that, why do we need to use an adverb in English grammar? That's my question. My question goes to Zeba Mariam. Zeba Mariam,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
unmute your audio. What is the use of using adverbs in our daily life or daily life communication?
The use of the adverb is it helps to uh,
Find answers for the 5 questions.
answers
Right?
for the 5 questions.
It helps
Yes, ma'am.
us to find out answers for 5 different questions, right? Based on these 5
Yes, ma'am.
different questions, we'll be able to recognize
How,
or
when,
we will be able to
when,
identify
how,
the
when,
yes,
where,
yes,
which,
yes,
how
we will be
often.
able to identify the parts of speech, right? Not only parts of speech, from the parts of speech, we'll be able to identify the adverbs in general, in particular. Okay, not in general, in particular, isn't it? So we discussed about 5 questions in the previous class. So my question is to Rida Masin. What are the 5 questions, Rida? Please unmute your audio, Rida. Your video is stuck, but still I hope that you can hear me very well. So Rida Masin, please unmute your audio. Yes, Rida, please help me to find the 5 question words which we are using to ask question to get adverbs from the sentence. Rida, are you there? Am I audible to you, Rida?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, I have told you about 5 different questions, right? There are 5 questions. Based on those 5 questions, we'll be able to recognize the adverbs from a sentence. What are the 5 questions I discussed with you in the previous class?
Ma'am,
Have
last
you
class
all
I was not
downloaded the
there.
notes from the school's website, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Once it is
Yes, ma'am.
downloaded, you have to copy down in a ruled paper and file it in a paper file. When you come to school, submit all the notes for correction. Am I clear? So every day, if one topic is over, before the topic, usually I used to upload the notes. Okay, so try to check the websites all the time. If I started with a new topic, that notes are there in the website. Okay, so try to download it, and I have to complete your notes on time. So my question to Rida again: what are the 5 questions, Rida, which help us to recognize the adverb? Rida, no answer for Rida. So I have a question. Adi Ishwar, don't hide from me. Adi Ishwar, please turn on your video. Adi Ishwar, yes, Adi Ishwar, what are the 5 questions used to find out adverbs from a sentence? Can you see me?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
my video clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And my audio also clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me. 5 questions. We usually ask 5 questions. What are the 5 questions? My question again, Stina. Stina, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Stina. Can you answer my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, let me hear.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell the question one more time?
Question, I have told you we are using 5 questions to get the answers of the adverbs from a sentence.
The answer.
There are many students, they are all eagerly waiting to give me the answer. So I want Stina to give me the answer now. Can you please?
I will tell, ma'am.
Okay, Ihan. Okay, eagerly waiting. Ihan, I'm granting you the permission to say. Ihan, very good boy.
Ma'am,
The
how,
5 questions.
how, when,
How? Very good. The
when,
first question.
where,
How?
when, where, which How
Which is
often?
which is there in that question? I don't think so.
No, ma'am. No. Where, how often,
How often? Okay, how often?
How
Or
often?
how often?
How
Some people
much?
used to say how often. I have heard even English
How
also
much?
asking how often. Okay.
How much?
How
How
much?
much?
Okay, so you said how often, how much, where also you said. Which is the last one? Or which word you omitted? Which question word you omitted? When? At what time? Isn't it? So based on the 5 question words, we have divided the adverbs into 5. Isn't it? There are 5 adverbs. The first one is how. Okay, the first one is actually related with how, the question word, which is also known as adverb of manner. Am I clear? Adverb of manner, which asks a question, how, in what manner an action is performed. Am I clear? I request all my kids to mute your audio. There are still, I can hear a lot of disturbance from your home. So please mute it. Okay, very fine. Now it's clear, crystal clear. Okay, tell me now. So how, the first question is how. The first type is in what manner. The first type is in what manner. So adverb of manner. She danced beautifully. How did she dance? She danced beautifully. If you ask a question, how, in what manner, you will be getting an answer from a sentence. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I correct? Such adverbs are also called adverb of manner. Am I clear? So adverb of manner answers the question. Adverb of manner answers the question how or in what manner. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
He ran fast, right? How did he run? He ran
Fast.
fast.
He ran fast.
Fast is the adverb used as a adverb of manner.
Adverb of
Am I clear?
manner.
So now you
Yes,
list out.
ma'am.
I'm going to give you a few adverb of manner. Okay? Example number 1.
Yes. I have a doubt.
Come is an adverb of manner. Almost all the adjectives ending with lys are adverb of manner. So now can you help me? Almost all adjectives ending with ly are adverb of manner. So can you help me now?
Slowly.
Okay, one example, beautifully. Another example, I said happily. Another example, I said unfortunately. Now,
Clearly.
Ma'am, slowly.
clearly.
Clearly.
Very correct.
Clearly.
Slowly.
Slowly. Very good. Another one, list out, list out. Okay, another one.
Totally.
Totally. Totally.
Really.
Really? Okay, but I would like to use this really with some other adverbs. I'll show you. Okay, so these are a few examples of adverbs in general, but among the adverbs which shows how an action is performed, it is coming under adverb of manner. It is easy to understand an adverb of manner because most of the adverb of manner is actually coming you ending with ly. Okay. Okay, am I clear? Now we discussed about adverb of
Ma'am,
yes,
I have a doubt.
yes.
In which website you are uploading the notes?
In the school's website, you check Dr. Raju Davis International School.
Yes, ma'am.
You can download it from using parent login ID. You have a username and a password provided from the school. Use it for downloading it. Don't worry. So you can personally call me for that. Now it's class time. Listen to the class. Okay. So my dear children, so we were discussing about adverb of manner, isn't it? Isn't it? So adverb of manner is over. Now adverb
Ma'am, your
of
video is stuck.
time. Okay. My video is stuck.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, we
No, ma'am.
can see your video also. Audio is
Clear. Okay, thank you so much, Aldous. Thank you for your apt on time information. So my dear children, listen. So we are going to discuss about adverb of what? Time. Adverb of, do we discuss adverb of time in the recent, last class?
Yes, ma'am. Adverb
Yes,
of time is
adverb of time answers the question when.
When.
At what time, right? Adverb of time discuss or answers the question when. So such
She
an
comes
answer,
yesterday.
adverbs like now, then, such
Now,
as now,
then,
all these, tomorrow, all these adverbs are coming under adverb of manner. Let me share the screen for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Muhammad Afridi, please. Muhammad Afridi, please turn on your video. So can you see the screen now?
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can see.
So we are going to
Yes,
discuss
ma'am.
about adverb of time. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Adverb of time. Okay? Adverb of time. Look at the screen. This states when something happens or when it is done. At what time. So it answers the question when. Okay? It answers the adverb of time. Answers the question when something happens or when it is
When.
done. Am I clear? So it answers
Yes, ma'am.
adverb of time answers the question when. Okay, it answers the question when. Am I clear?
When.
Am
Yes,
I clear?
ma'am.
It answers
Yes,
the
ma'am.
question when, and it
When.
indicates the time
The
of
time of
action.
action.
Adverb of time
The
indicates
time of action.
The time of
The
action.
time of action.
Okay, look at the examples are given here. She came
Came
yesterday.
yesterday.
She came
Came
yesterday.
yesterday.
When did she come?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
So it
Yesterday.
is adverb of
Yesterday.
time because
Yes,
it
yesterday.
shows the
Adverb of
time. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You went to school yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Here
Yesterday.
also yesterday. It
Yesterday.
shows the time.
Did you go to
Adverb
school
of
yesterday?
time.
All of you
Adverb
please
of
muted. All of you please mute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
I have heard this before. I have heard this before.
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 Time. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
As we have already discussed.
Yes,
So my dear
Yes,
children,
Yes, ma'am.
my dear
Yes.
children, please stop talking in between. My dear children, we have already discussed adverb of time, and this adverb of time is used to show the time. At what time? Something. Time of an action. Let me repeat. The time of an action. It can be yesterday. It can be tomorrow. It can be Monday. It can be Tuesday. Whatever it is, which is actually related with the time. Adverb of time answers the question when. Okay, adverb of time answers the question when. When did she come? She came yesterday morning. Okay.
Yesterday
So morning, evening, afternoon, Monday, Saturday, Wednesday, Sunday. All these are, or all these words shows the time, right? Right? So these all adverbs are coming under adverb of time. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We discussed adverb of place also in the previous class. Adverb of place. What is it?
Please.
Adverb of
Place.
place. Okay, so it answers it place. Place means some place, right? Maybe at the school, maybe in the classroom, maybe inside the pocket, maybe outside a box, maybe downstairs. It shows some place, right? It shows
Yes,
some
ma'am.
place. So the adverb answers the question, or these adverb of place answers the question where. Ask a question where.
Where?
See, I
Where?
kept my pen inside my pocket. Where did I keep my pen? Inside.
Inside the
Inside. Inside is actually an adverb. Okay, inside is used like an adverb. Inside my pocket is used.
My pocket.
Inside is used like an adverb, which shows the place. Am I clear?
place. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So
Yes, ma'am.
adverb of
Yes,
place answers the question where, and it shows a place. It shows the place of an action. It shows place
Action.
of
The
an action. Am I clear?
Action. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
it's time for me to share again the adverb of
Go, ma'am.
place. Okay, adverb of place. Look at the board. You can see a man who is standing near a car, isn't it? Isn't it? So this question, this adverb answers the question where. Yes,
Can you give me, can you put this notes in the WhatsApp?
it's there. It's there in the website. If you're not getting it, personally message me. I have already uploaded. You try to check it in the school's website. If it is there, download it.
Ma'am, we didn't get it.
But a few students, they said they have already got it and written the notes. Try to check one day. Anna, Hannah, you check it today evening and message me. Okay, if you're getting, you message me. If you're not getting also, you please message me. Okay, check. Check your school's website. Our school's website, sorry. So, adverb of place answers the question where. Okay, it answers the question where. Where the place of action. It shows the
Action.
place of action.
Place of action.
Yeah, it shows the place. Okay, adverb
Place.
of place shows
Yeah.
the place. The place of action. Look at
Action.
the word. Of course, I looked everywhere. Everywhere. Here, there, everywhere. Right? So here in the sentence, everywhere is an example for adverb of place.
Place.
Look at the second sentence. I have lived here. Okay, I have lived here. Where I'm living? Where I'm living?
Here. Here.
Here. This
Here.
place. Here. It shows. Here shows the place. You can park your car there. Okay, you can park your car there. Where?
Where?
There. It answers. It shows a place.
There.
I ran downstairs. Where did I run?
Downstairs.
Downstairs. Where did I run?
Downstairs.
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 Yes, this downstairs help us, or this word is actually an adverb of place used in this sentence. Am I clear? So, all
Yes,
these
ma'am.
sentences,
Yes,
all
ma'am.
these sentences, please note down. See, everywhere, here, there, downstairs
There.
shows
Downstairs.
place of action.
So,
Place of action.
Place of
And this adverb
action.
of place answers the question where. Am I clear? It answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Where? Am I clear?
Where? Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we discussed adverb of manner, we discussed adverb of place, we discussed adverb of time, right? Now, we need to learn about adverb of frequency. I have told you there are 5 questions. We discussed how, we discussed where, we discussed when, right? Now we are going to discuss how often. What is the word
How
meaning?
often?
How
Means-
often? Okay, how often? What is
How
the word meaning of
often?
often? How
Often
often?
means
Often
how
or how
many times?
frequently?
Means
How many
often?
times?
How many
How long?
times?
How many times? I something
How
drink
many
coffee in the morning.
times? Okay, how many times? Okay,
Times.
how often answers the question how many times. Am I clear?
Time.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
So, frequency.
ma'am.
Yes. Adverb of frequency answers the question how often. Adverb of frequency answers the question how often. Am I
How
clear?
often?
How
Yes,
often.
ma'am.
Or else how frequently or how many times. Am I clear? How
Yes, ma'am.
many times?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
clear?
Times.
Am I
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
So example, you
Yes,
look at the, yes, look at the example. I sometimes drink coffee in the morning. I'm not
Sometimes.
regular. I'm not regular. I'm not drinking in the morning. I'm not drinking every day. I'm don't drinking only in the morning, but sometimes. It's not a regular, it's not a
Sometimes.
regular habit. It's not a habit for me to drink coffee every day, not every morning. It's sometimes. It shows how many times or how
How many
often. How
How
often.
often?
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
How
sometimes
often?
only
Yes, ma'am.
I drink coffee in the morning. Ryan
Yes.
goes to the library every day. Not only a day, every day.
Every day.
Every day. Okay, how
Every
many
day.
times? Every day.
Every
He
day.
visits
Every day.
Yeah, he visits library every day.
Every
They
day.
are never. They are
They
never
are
late to school.
never late to school.
Yes.
Never late
So,
to school.
never.
Never.
Yeah,
school.
never is used as an adverb of frequency,
Adverb.
which answers to the question how often and how frequently. Good, you're very smart children. They rarely go to bed
Rarely.
late. Are they
Go
going bed? I mean, every day are they late to the bed?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Rarely, rarely.
No.
No, rarely.
Rarely.
Not every time. They are rarely, or not sometimes, rarely they used to go to bed late, right? Now they are okay.
Yes,
They're
ma'am.
going on time to bed. Are you going to bed on
Okay, ma'am.
time every night?
No, ma'am.
No.
Sometimes.
You should sleep
No.
before 9:30. You should go to bed before 9:30. Okay, at
Ma'am,
least
I'm going.
9:30. Before 10 o'clock, all of you. I request everybody to be,
I'm going.
you're good.
Ma'am.
Sleep
After
10
11.
o'clock.
Never
Okay?
allowed me to
You're
sleep.
young. Your minds are young. Let the minds fly high in the sky. Okay? So, my dear children, I'm happy. I'm very glad to teach you. So, we are discussing about adverb of frequency, which answers the question how often or how frequently. Okay? How often or how frequently. Am I clear? So, it answers the
Yes,
question
ma'am.
how often, how frequently.
How
And the last
frequently?
one, look at
How
here.
often?
Look at
How
here, my dear children.
frequent?
All of you, please
Yes,
mute
ma'am.
your mic.
Verb of degree.
Mute your mic. So please look at here. The last adverb is adverb of degree. Okay. Look at the board. Adverb of degree. Which question it answers?
How much?
How
Uh,
much?
How much? It answers to the
what?
question. It
Or-
answers to the question how much. Okay.
How much?
Shows the intensity
to
or
what
degree to which a specific thing happens or is done. Adverb answers the question
Answer
how
the question.
much to what extent. Look at the example. The
extent.
child is very
The child
talented.
Very
Child is
talented.
here
Very.
Aradhya. Example, Aradhya is very talented, right? Huh? How much? It shows
Very
quantity.
talented.
It does
Very
not
talented. Very.
very. She is very talented.
Very.
Okay, Heron.
Very.
See, Heron said one day, ma'am, I really hate traveling by plane. Okay, Heron one day she came to me and she said, ma'am, I really hate traveling by plane. Isn't it, Heron?
Yeah.
And a day, this Ihan, after listening to my class for long, he came to me and said, they are extremely happy, ma'am, after your class. Are you all? Aren't you?
Yes, ma'am.
Aren't you
Yes,
happy?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Extremely happy.
Yes,
Not a little, they are extremely, they are
Extremely
too much happy, right? I totally enjoyed the ride. Myself and Amar, we went for a ride. Okay, he came with his bicycle to my home. We went for a ride one day. So Amar said, I totally enjoyed the ride, ma'am. Okay, so I too am very happy to hear it from Amar because he totally enjoyed our ride. Okay, so my dear children, adverb of frequency. Look at the examples. It answers the question how much. It answers the question to what extent. The child, see, the water is extremely cold. It is extremely cold. So it shows
Extreme.
what extent, how much. How much? It is not too little cold. It is extremely cold. I'm extremely happy. I'm
Extremely.
really happy. All these words, it is also ending with ly, but it is not an adverb of manner, but it is coming under adverb of degree.
Adverb
So
of
which answers the question how much. Which answers the question how much. Am I clear?
how much?
Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
okay,
Yes,
look
ma'am.
okay, look at the board now. The last slide. Okay, adverb.
Yes.
Different types of adverb.
Types of adverb.
A few examples I have displayed on the screen. Look at it.
Types of adverb.
See, let me hear it from Stancel. Stancel, please unmute your audio. Can you read the adverb of manner?
Loudly,
Okay.
quietly,
Quietly,
well, angrily,
angrily,
badly.
badly. These are the few examples for adverb of manner. Now, I would like to hear Aradhya. Can you read adverb of degree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya, please read adverb of degree.
Yes, ma'am. Really,
Really,
Really.
Amar?
Really.
Okay, Aradhya, she has some problem.
Ma'am, I will.
Eldest,
yes, ma'am.
adverb of
I will,
degree.
ma'am. I will. Okay.
Yes, adverb of degree. Really,
Really, very,
quiet,
extremely,
extremely,
absolutely.
absolutely are the examples for degree. Adverb of
Adverb.
I want Steve. Steve, please unmute your audio, Steve, and read adverb of place.
Perfect. Here,
Here,
there,
there,
somewhere,
somewhere,
nearby,
nearby,
upstairs.
upstairs. Okay, Al-Asfan, adverb of time. Adverb of time.
Mom, can I? Loudly, quietly, will, angrily, badly.
Okay. Okay. So frequency roles. Frequency, some issues in between. Okay. Roles. Last one. Frequency.
I can see nothing.
Can I see now?
Roles. Please.
Ma'am, I
read
can't see
adverb of
now.
frequency.
I can see.
Always.
Can I see now?
Usually. Often. Sometimes. Never.
Ma'am.
These are the examples for adverb. There are 5 adverbs types and we have completed it. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree.
Frequency.
And
Adverb
these
of
adverbs answers the question how, when,
how,
where,
when,
how
where,
often, and
how
how much
often,
respectively.
how much.
Okay, so I
Respectively.
hope you enjoyed the class and you are thorough with the adverbs. And if you do any exercises, you will be able to recognize adverbs
Yes,
from
ma'am.
different sentences,
ma'am.
isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's time to end our meeting. The other teacher is waiting. Thank you so much for
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.